Do you do this? You hear someone speak English, and in your head, you translate. First, you think in your language, then you try to find the English words, and then the moment is gone.
Yeah, the person is already waiting, and you feel nervous, and you feel stuck.
If this happens to you, this video is for you. Today, we are going to fix that. Stay with us. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. I am Sarah.
And I am Jake, and we are so happy you are here today.
Really, we mean that. Whether this is your first video with us or you watch us every week, welcome. This is your safe place to learn English.
No stress, no pressure. Just real, simple, everyday English.
And today's topic is so important. We are talking about how to think in English, how to stop translating in your head, and how to use simple English sentences every single day.
These are real sentences that Americans use every day at the coffee shop, at work, at school, with neighbors, with friends.
Simple sentences, but powerful, because when you know these sentences, you don't need to translate anymore. You just say it.
That's the goal, right? Just say it naturally, confidently.
Yes, and we are going to practice together. So stay until the end, because at the end, we have a speaking question just for you.
And we want to see your answer in the comments. Deal?
Okay, let's start. So Jake, let's talk about why people translate first. Why does this happen?
Okay, so here's the thing. When you learn English in school, you learn grammar rules, you learn vocabulary lists, and your brain connects English to your language.
Right. So when you want to say something in English, your brain goes to your language first. It's like your brain takes a detour.
A detour. I love that word. A detour means you take the long road. Instead of going straight, you go around.
Exactly. And the solution is not to study more grammar. The solution is to learn phrases, full sentences, and practice them until they feel natural.
Until they live in your mouth. I always say that. A sentence has to live in your mouth, not just in your notebook.
I love that. Say it again, Jake.
A sentence has to live in your mouth, not just in your notebook.
Okay, viewers, repeat that with us. Ready? A sentence has to live in your mouth.
One more time. A sentence has to live in your mouth.
Beautiful. Okay, so today we are going to teach you sentences that live in your mouth. Real sentences, daily sentences, and we are going to practice them together. Okay, let's start with the morning. You wake up, you get ready, you leave your house. What do Americans say in the morning?
Oh, this is good. Okay, so imagine you walk into your office or your school. You see a coworker, you see a classmate. What do you say?
The most common thing in America is, "Hey, how are you doing?"
Or just, hey, how's it going?
And here's the important part. In America, this is not a deep question. It is just a greeting, like saying hello.
Right, so the answer is not, well, I am experiencing some difficulty with my personal life and I feel moderately stressed.
No, Jake, stop.
I'm just saying, that's too much information for a Monday morning.
The normal answer is, "Good, thanks, how about you?" Or "Pretty good, you?" Or even just, "Not bad, you?"
Super simple, super natural. Let's practice. I'll be your coworker. Ready? Hey, how's it going?
"Good, thanks, how about you?"
Pretty good. Busy day today.
There you go, that's it. That's a real American morning conversation.
Now you try. When someone says, how's it going? You say,
Pause the video right now if you want. Practice saying it out loud. "Good, thanks, how about you?" Say it. Say it out loud.
don't be shy. Nobody is listening. Just you and your English.
Good, let's keep going. Okay, Jake, next situation. You're at a coffee shop. Very common in America. You walk in, what do you say?
Okay, so first, don't panic. Coffee shops can feel scary because it's fast. The barista is waiting, people are behind you. But here's the secret.
The secret is you only need a few sentences, and they are the same every time.
Every single time. Okay, let's say you want a coffee. You walk up to the counter. The barista says, hi, what can I get for you?
And you say, "Hi, can I get a medium coffee, please?" Or "I'll have a large latte, please." Or "Can I get a black coffee to go?"
To go means you want to take it with you, not sit inside.
And if you want to sit inside, you can say, "For here, please."
Let's practice this together. I'm the barista. Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a medium coffee to go, please?
Of course, what's the name?
Sarah.
Perfect. That's a full coffee shop interaction. 3 sentences, that's it.
Now, what if you don't understand something? The barista speaks fast. It happens. Don't panic. You just say,
Sorry, can you say that again?
or, "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
Or even just, sorry?
That one word, "sorry," with your voice going up, that means please repeat. Americans use that all the time.
All the time. It is not rude, it is completely normal.
Okay, viewers, repeat after us. Sorry, can you say that again?
One more time. Sorry, can you say that again?
Perfect. Put that sentence in your mouth. You will use it, I promise.
Okay, Sarah, let's talk about something really important. Small talk.
Oh, yes. Small talk is so important in America.
Small talk is short, friendly conversation. It's not deep, it's not serious, it's just warm, human.
Americans do small talk everywhere. At the elevator, in line at the grocery store, with a neighbor outside.
And a lot of English learners find this hard because in some cultures, you don't talk to strangers, but in America, it's very normal.
So let's learn some small talk sentences. Easy ones, natural ones.
Okay, the weather is always a safe topic. Always. You can never go wrong with the weather.
Nice day, huh? Or, can you believe this weather? Or, it's so cold today.
And the other person will say something like, I know, right? Or, yeah, finally some sunshine. Or, I know, I can't wait for spring.
I know, right, is one of the most American phrases ever. Say it with me. I know, right?
I know, right? It means I totally agree with you.
Okay, viewers, you try. Imagine you're standing outside and it's a beautiful day. You turn to the person next to you and you say, "Nice day, huh?"
And they say, I know, right? Finally. And you say, yeah, I love it.
That's it. That's small talk. Short, warm, simple.
And here is a bonus small talk sentence for work or school. How was your weekend?
Oh, Americans love this one. Every Monday. How was your weekend?
And you can answer with, it was good, pretty relaxing. Or it was great, I went to the park. Or not bad, kind of lazy, honestly.
Kind of lazy, honestly. I love that one. That's so real.
And if someone asks you and you don't have anything exciting to say, just say, pretty quiet, how about you? And then they talk and you just listen.
That is a genius move, Jake.
I know, I've been doing it for years.
Okay, let's keep going. We have more to cover. All right, now let's talk about something a little harder, asking for help. A lot of English learners don't ask for help because they feel embarrassed.
Yeah, they think my English isn't perfect. I don't want to sound bad.
But here's the truth. When you ask for help politely, people are happy to help, especially in America.
Totally. Americans like being helpful, and being polite goes a long way.
So here are some sentences for asking for help. First one, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Simple, direct, perfect.
"Excuse me, where's the bathroom?" "Excuse me, do you know where I can find?" "Excuse me, how do I get to?"
Excuse me is your magic word. It gets people's attention. It's polite. It works.
Let's say you're in a grocery store and you can't find something. You see an employee. What do you say? You walk up and say, "Excuse me, do you know where the pasta is?" And they will say, "Sure, it's in aisle 5.
And you say, thank you so much.
That's it. 3 sentences. Excuse me, a question, and thank you.
And if you don't understand the answer, you say, I'm sorry, can you show me?
Can you show me is so useful because then they walk you there. No more confusion.
It's genius. Just make them walk with you.
Jake! Okay, let's practice. Viewers, repeat after us. Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful. You're doing so well.
Okay, Sarah, let's talk about something really big now. Something that changes everything.
What's that?
Thinking in English. Not just using English words, but actually thinking in English.
Yes, this is the big one because when you translate, your brain does double the work. You think in your language, you translate, then you speak. And by then, the moment is gone.
But when you think in English, it's direct. Thought to mouth, no detour.
So how do you start thinking in English? Here's the first step. Narrate your day.
Yes, talk to yourself in English. I do this, it sounds a little funny, but it works.
When you wake up, think, I'm tired. I need coffee. Not in your language, in English.
When you look outside, think, it looks cold today. I should wear a jacket.
When you make lunch, think, I'm hungry. What should I eat? Maybe a sandwich.
Simple thoughts, but in English, every day. Little by little, your brain starts to switch.